Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. It's been a wet and windy Friday for many, all thanks to Storm Eric, the storm named by the Irish Met Service, but it's been bringing us some strong winds and heavy rain and will continue to do so well into Saturday. The area of low pressure really intensified overnight into Friday morning, and you can see the storm system there heading its way just to the northwest of Scotland, but lots of isobars on the chart, and this weather front as it moved across England and Wales brought a band of really intense rain. It's been especially blustery along the south coast through Northern Ireland and western Scotland. We will continue to have very windy conditions right across the country overnight. Now, this weather front will continue to feed rain into western Scotland with the snow melt here and that heavy rain. There's a continued risk of flooding. The winds will ease a little across the south, but actually the winds will pep up again overnight across Northern Ireland, Northern England and southern Scotland. So again, we have a warning in force here. Gusts of 50, 60 over hills and around coasts, possibly as high as 70 miles an hour. It could cause some travel disruption. Further south, it does turn a little drier, but there will be blustery showers around, and it's not an especially cold night. We're pretty much frost-free. We start the weekend at 4 or 5 degrees, but obviously, although that's reasonably mild, it won't feel all that mild in the morning because it's still going to be very windy. Quite wet too over northeastern parts of England. Lots of showers packing into western Scotland. We still have the warning in force for rain here. Elsewhere, I think we'll see some showers, but the showers will tend to fade. And for many, it'll be quite a bright, blustery day on Saturday with some sunshine over the Midlands, East Anglia, eastern parts of England generally, eastern Scotland as well. Not many showers here. And even further west, although there'll be a few showers moving through on the breeze, there will still be some sunshine. But the winds will be significant and noticeable. And again, those temperatures, although reasonably mild, 9, maybe 10 degrees Celsius, it will feel colder than that because of the blustery nature of the day. Now, notice down to the southwest, the cloud is thickening, so any sunshine here will tend to disappear through the afternoon. And we see another spell of rain approaching, moving into southwest England and spreading its way across most of England and Wales during Saturday evening. Now, there's still some uncertainty about exactly how this rain develops, how far north it gets, and how quickly it clears. But certainly the southern half of the UK likely to start Sunday fairly soggy, whereas further north, the winds will finally be easing a little bit and there'll be clearer skies, and we may see some pockets of frost. So there's a lot going on through the weekend. Firstly, Storm Eric taking a while to clear. Then that next batch of rain across the south from this little weather feature. As I say, some uncertainty about how it develops, but there could be some strong winds with that as well as the wet weather that moves through. And then we look at this weather system, which starts to pull down across northern Britain later on Sunday. And behind that, if you follow the isobars, well, they point all the way up to the Arctic. So that's where the cold air is. And it does look as if it will turn colder through the second half of Sunday night and into Monday. But let's get through Sunday first of all, because there will be a bit of snow mixed in as this weather system moves north over the hills of northern England and Wales. There could be some snow for a time. It's basically a cloudy, wet day across parts of the south. But as I say, some uncertainty about when that clears through. Some sunnier skies across northern Britain, but even here, that next weather system coming south will bring some wet and windy conditions too. Temperatures will be a little bit lower on Sunday, and again feeling cooler if you've got the outbreaks of rain with some hill snow too, 6, 7 degrees Celsius. But the really cold air is to the north of this weather front, this band of rain, which will push south, it looks like, on Sunday night and into Monday morning. That could have some sleet and snow mixed in as well, which could all add up to an icy start to the new working week. As I said then, lots going on. It will turn colder into next week. Before then, though, still some strong winds and some heavy rain and some weather warnings. You can see those on the website, or you can find out more by following us on social media or go to our YouTube channels.